Okay, we'll start off at the front here. Lots of details. Get the better lighting over here. Get some lighting from above. Got a bunch of MU hoses. This goes up and down the foot plate there. Move around to the side. You got the I want to say that was a phone box for the, because this was originally Pennsylvania. They had the telephone, the radio telephone system. Cool little touch. The brown, the rusted out wheels on the fronts. Lots of detail here. The fuel tank looks awesome. Can we zoom in on that? Nope. Nice can opener logo that they got. The cabs, this is crazy. So you got the windows. That you can close. Take a little spin on the turntable here. You got some kind of deflectors here. Nice looking three chime horn. Come on, focus on the horn. There we go. And it's in the correct spot. And there's none over here, like on the Bachmans. This does have an interior. It's kind of hard to see because I'm not messing with the windows. I want them. I'm gonna keep them closed, so dust doesn't get in there. But I don't know if you can see. I'll try to get in there. Yeah, a little bit. You got some doors back there. It's just too black in there. I can't tell. Nice ribbed roof there with the antenna. The F designating the front of the logo. I like that. That's a nice touch. Look at the back here. Again, the knuckle step plate there. Again, bunch of MU hoses, airlines and stuff. Now this is the cool part, and I hope this will pick it up. The fans, yeah. know if I'll be able to catch it, but in certain light, this vent, I can see something inside. You know, I can see innards of the loco. So that's a vent too. But those fans are awesome. And then this is why I really like this model. So you have one there. Here, I'll point them out. You have one here, 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 here. And what those were, that's where the antenna ran on the Pennsylvania Railroad. And what they did was they just hacked them off and left the like connections into the locomotive. They just plated over them. It does have the grab rail back here, like it should. It has, man, is this picking it up? I can't focus on it. The mounting or the hooks to pull the hoods. Will it work this way? Almost. No. Very, very nice loco. And it's conHellYA. Go through the truck real quick again so you can get it. It almost looks like it says something right there. I can't tell. So that's conRel 2245. And what I'll do is I'll post this, program the address, and then I should be running. It takes a while for me to post this one because I have to transfer it from my phone because my phone doesn't hook up to my computer. It has a great camera, but the interface is junk. So there you go. Be back. Have fun, y'all.